Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality profile backlink. So the website name is participiafab.cat. So this is a website URL and this is the dashboard. So before the started we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya the domain rating is 55 and according to Moj the domain authority is 45 and the spam score is 0%. And according to similar web, this website are drawing 3k monthly traffic and mostly traffic from India, Pakistan and Spain and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will create your business profile backlink on this site. So now we can start. Before that, if you're new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. Okay, so now we can start. So simply you can see top of the right corner menu section, there is a sign in button. You can click on this. Okay, you can click on the register button, and if you are facing problem for the languages, so you can simply click on this and you can choose your language, convert into English. This is a Spanish website, and there you can add your company name and you can add your username. There you can add your email address. In the password you can choose your password. And if you guys are using your use related, if you guys are using your password related to your username, so this site uh, give you the error message, so you can avoid these things. You can generate a random password, and then after that you can click on the sign up button after acknowledge the terms and condition. And once you guys will complete these things, so this site will send you a verification email, so where you guys will validate your account. So I received, simply you can click on this, and there you can add your email address. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So let me convert into English, and after that you can click on your username and you will see there is a my public profile. You can click on this and you can click on the edit profile button. From there you guys will upload your profile picture, and there you can add your website URL. So again I can convert in English, yeah, professional URL. So you can add your website URL over there and your company description. So I have already generated, this is my company description, and you can select anyone, and after that you can click on the update button. Once you guys will complete these things, then after that I can show you. You can click on the my public profile, and you can see from there this is your profile landing page URL, and I can show you in incognito. So this is instant approved backlink or not. So you can see the brand name, logo, and this is the website URL, and I can show you this is the follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% no follow backlink. The thing is we have created backlink over there, and there is another option to we can explore. If is there any option to we can create multiple type of backlink. I guess there is not. More information, select. Okay, so this is a process for the backlink creation on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can gonna to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yeah, bye bye and take care.